Hi, 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 hi. It's me, Chris. Just got back from the Kitties, and I went to Portillo's. Portillo's is super delicious. They have a drive-thru, and you order everything separate. It was about $9. You get a small fry, and I have my hot dog, all beef hot dog with pickles, mayonnaise, ketchup, and onion. And then I have some cheese sauce, and I also have these are really good. They're crinkle cut, a little bit salty. Oh, crunchy. And then Portillo hot dogs, but they have hot dogs, cheese fries, regular fries, onion rings, burgers, chicken. I hardly ever eat beef, but you know what? I am today, and it's on a really nice poppy seed bun. Oh my goodness, it's so good. I hope you're all doing really, really, really well. And you know what? I actually found out that poppy seeds have nutritional value. It was crazy, which shouldn't be surprising, though. Poppy seeds, flax seeds. Sunflower seeds. It shouldn't surprise me because all their seeds are really good too for you. I haven't been feeling the greatest, but trying. I hope you're all eating something yummy. Excited to treat myself today. Oh, Portillo's I like because it's really simple food. Napkins. So it's the flavors. Jesus. Here we go. Here we go. So good. Let's see. The onions aren't too spicy. Just wanted to say hi. Tell you that Portillo's is really good. Really, 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 really good. Wow. I was super hungry. I never eat that fast. I guess, you know, sometimes you just really crave something and then you start eating and you're like, oh, it's gone. You like, I like the cheese with a little bit of onion inside. And I like better than ranch. Oh, yeah, ketchup, ranch, or cheese butter. Oh. Really good though. And there's people here. Ooh. That has to be a plane. Okay. That was a bird? There was this, it was going like this. Literally, it was like this, and it's going, but it looked like the body of a plane. I would have showed you, but it was going by too fast. You know, I'm at the park. My normal chill location. We have some new kitties. We have kitties that are going home soon, which is nice. One of them is not always the healthiest, and I always love that. Someone who's willing to take on an animal that's not always in the best of health is just nice. Because I mean, they all need a home, but her name is Dottie. She's actually a pretty small kitty, but she has huge eyes. I have to show you pictures of her Sunday. In fact, I'll show you pictures of all the kitties Sunday. Do a little vlog. So I hope you're all having a good day. Hope you ate something good with me, and if not, go get something good. Or I'm gonna eat it all. Too much. Okay. All done. Happy Thursday. Get yourself a beef, regular, vegetarian, whatever kind of hot dog you like. Get a good drink, water, soda, juice, whatever. Make your choice. Make your happiness. Don't regret anything. Do it. If it really feels good, you really want it, and you enjoy it, do it. That's what I said today. I really enjoy hot dogs. I really enjoy all the condiments, and I don't regret it. I'll go walk later. I walk about a mile a day. For me, that's good. I've had surgery on both my knees. I have arthritis in my back. I have a multitude issues. But you know what? We all do, mentally, physically. We all have many problems, issues, whatever you want to call them. But just remember what you can do, not what you can't do. And you can only go up from here. Bye.